Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Today's job openings are for front-end developers. Let's jump into our first job opening. It's from the company C-True and the job role is of front-end developer. Job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. As a front-end developer, you will be responsible for building and maintaining the user-facing portions of our tool. You will work closely with the rest of the engineering team to design, develop and implement high-quality, scalable and responsive user interfaces. Your primary focus will be on developing and implementing user-facing elements using React.js, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Benefits are a competitive salary and benefits package, a dynamic and collaborative work environment, the opportunity to work on exciting, cutting-edge technology, opportunities for growth and advancement within the company if you are a creative, driven and highly skilled front-end developer with strong React.js experience. We encourage you to apply for the exciting opportunity. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this Easy Apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Second job opening is from the company AlgoScale and the job role is Python developer. Job location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. Required skills for this job role are good experience in Python code implementation, Django or Flask framework, strong understanding of various Python toolkits, libraries and APIs, solid database skills into relational databases, skilled in NoSQL databases like MongoDB, DynamicDB, excellent unit testing, debugging and optimization skills, basic understanding of front-end technologies, knowledge of ORM, proficient knowledge of how to build and work with RESTful APIs, sound knowledge in version controlling, strong hold in data structure and algorithms, well versed with deploying applicants into production, AWS infrastructure knowledge and certification is a plus. Experience required for this job role is 1 year. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this Easy Apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Third job role is of front-end website developer. Company is Advanced and job location is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. What you will have? Excellent communication skills, proven high standard in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, detailed knowledge of web development best practices, ability to self-study, learn, a passion for web development, understanding website performance and its impact of search engine optimization, ability to work with content management systems, great time management. What you will do under this role? Build highly customizable web component, deliver front-end aspects of projects, improve the current developer OPS pipeline, write unit tests for code and visual regression testing for styles. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this Apply button. Then this Advanced Careers page will open. Click on this Apply for this job online button, fill the application form and submit it. Our fourth job opening is of front-end developer and the company is Plopedo. I don't know how to pronounce this company. It's Plopedo. Job location is Pune, Maharashtra. Skills required for this job role are bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or a similar field. Previous experience working as a React.js developer, in-depth knowledge of JavaScript, CSS, HTML and front-end languages. Knowledge of React tools including React.js, Webpack, Enzyme, Redux and Flux, experience with user interface design, experience with browser-based debugging and performance testing software, excellent troubleshooting skills, good project management skills, ability to understand business requirements and translate them into technical requirement. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this Easy Apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Our fifth job role is of Associate Python developer. Company is Techolution and the job location is remote, that is work from home. Mandatory skills required for this job role are excellent programming skills in Python, strong knowledge of object-oriented programming such as data structure and algorithms, hands-on experience with relational DBMS like SQL. Preferred skills are good expertise building scalable microservices leveraging 12-factor app cloud native rules, good knowledge of AWS services and its utilization. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this Easy Apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Also share your resume to this email ID shikha.bhattacharya@techolution.com and they have also mentioned please let me know the best time to talk to you as well. Sixth job opening is from the company Nielsen IQ and the job role is engineer front-end. Job location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Qualifications required for this job role are 3 or more years of applicable software engineering experience, strong fundamental with back-end object-oriented programming, including proficiency in Python, PHP, familiarity integrating RESTful APIs, have a passion and energy for learning and improving, excellent English communication skills, minimum Bachelor's of Science degree in computer science, computer engineering or related field. Should have experience in SQL. Experience Snowflake will be an added advantage. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this apply button. Here click on this I am interested. Then fill this application form and submit it. Seventh job role is of front-end developer. Company is PaySpace. Job location is Trivandrum, Kerala. Qualifications required for this job role are 3+ year experience in front-end development, experience developing web application with modern JavaScript programming, expert knowledge of JavaScript, CSS, HTML and related web technologies, TypeScript, experience with popular React.js state management libraries, expert knowledge in React UI libraries, experience working with utility libraries such as Redux Toolkit, experience working with white building tooling would be a plus, good communication skills. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Eighth job role is of full stack developer Python Django. Job location is Mumbai Metropolitan Region and company is Medica Bazaar. We are looking for someone with end-to-end experience of building and deploying web application and APIs using Python Django, good hands-on skills and knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, exposure to Elasticsearch, Celery, RabbitMQ, AWS, basic understanding of good user experience, good understanding of system design, ability to explore and adopt new innovation technologies on the fly, creative thinker with excellent analytical, troubleshooting and debugging skills. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Here comes our ninth job opening. It's from the company The Therapy Room. Job role is of full stack web developer. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Qualifications required for this job role are strong proficiency in full stack web development, proficient in modern web frameworks such as React, Node.js, Ruby on Rails, experience with database design and management, experience with deployment and hosting of web applications, strong problem solving skills, excellent written and verbal communication skills. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Here comes our last job opening for today. Company is Glimpse Luxury and the job role is full stack engineer. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Requirements for this job role are proven experience as a full stack developer, experience developing desktop and mobile applications, familiarity with common stacks, should be able to work with Laravel and Vue.js is must, knowledge of multiple front-end languages, JavaScript, knowledge of multiple back-end languages, frameworks, familiarity with databases, UI, UX design, excellent communication and teamwork, organizational skills, degree in computer science, statistics or relevant field. So if you are eligible for this job role, you know what to do. Click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. So these were 10 job openings for today for front-end web developer roles. And now here are 2 bonus job openings for today. Let's check the bonus job openings. First is from the company Innovia Technologies. Role is full stack developer Python, Django, JavaScript, React, immediate joiners only. Location is remote, that is work from home. Qualifications required are bachelor's degree or higher in a STEM field such as computer science, engineering or mathematics, around 2 years of experience architecting and building large-scale web services and applications using object-oriented design principles, experience spearheading the transformation of several complex real-world business applications, good back-end development experience, good front-end development experience, experience with SQL, NoSQL database and good communication skills. So if you are eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Here comes our second bonus job opening. From the company Outscale, role is C++ developer, all levels. Skills required are expertise in C++ programming and data structure. You have worked in kick-ass projects, excellent problem solving ability, passionate about playing and developing best-in-class video game experiences, ability to pick up new game engines, transparent and to-the-point communication skills. Perks are best salary in the segment, amazing workplace environment, insurance and PF, remote work option. If you are eligible for this job role, click on this apply button. Then click on this apply as C++ developer. After that, create your account here, then fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description for all the job openings. All the best, and if you are looking for a particular job role, you can leave a comment in the comment section and also leave a comment with your educational qualifications so that we can come with the same job openings. अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.